In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and run a new report in Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and navigate to the platform where your reporting tools are located. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Reports tab in the navigation area and click it. This will take you to the Reporting section, where you can view existing reports or begin building a new one from scratch. If you're new to this area, take a moment to get familiar with the layout because understanding where everything is will make report creation much easier. Next, click the New Report button. This is the action that starts the report building process and opens the report setup screen. At this stage, the system will usually ask you to choose the type of report you want to create. This is important because your report type determines which data will be available to you and how that information can be organized later. Now choose the report type category that matches your core dataset or main object. In other words, select the category that best reflects the kind of information you want to analyze. Picking the correct report type at the beginning helps ensure your report includes the right fields and gives you the most useful results. Once you've selected the correct category, click Start Report to open the report builder. Inside the report builder, move to the Columns section on the left sidebar. Here, you can type in the names of the field columns you want to include in your report. As you add columns, the report preview will begin to populate with rows of data. This is where your report starts to take shape, so think carefully about which fields are most relevant. A good tip is to focus on the columns that directly support the goal of your report rather than adding too much information all at once. Keeping your report clean and focused will make it easier to read and more useful when you run it. Once your columns are in place and the report looks the way you want, click Save and Run. This not only saves your progress, but also generates the report so you can immediately review the results. When prompted, enter a clear and recognizable report name. Choosing a specific name will make it much easier to find later, especially if you create multiple reports over time. Finally, click Save to finish the process. Your new report is now created, saved, and ready to use.